Assalamu alaikum class 1. I am your English teacher from Allied School. Today I am going to start my 9th lecture. Open your book at page number 18. Unit 3 lesson 4 is sentences. Look at the picture. What are they doing? Write the missing names. For example, who is dancing? This is Sarah. Sarah is dancing. Who is eating a pancake? Tom is eating a pancake. Who is running away from a rat? Ali is running away from a rat. Who is sleeping? Fiza is sleeping. Who is hitting the rat? Daddy is hitting the rat. Who is drinking cola? Mummy is drinking cola. Ask and answer more questions about the picture. This is your oral activity. Read the questions, complete the answer with the help of the words in the box. Why is Fiza sleeping? Because she is sleeping. Why is Tom eating a pancake? Because he is hungry. Why is Ali running away from a rat? Because he is afraid. Why is Teddy hitting the rat? Because he is angry. Now on page number 19, unit 3, lesson 5 is writing. Choose the correct capital letters from the balloons and write them beside the small letters below. This is the small letter. You have to write here capital letter. B is small letter. You have to write here capital letter. C is small letter. You will write here capital letter. So on. Next one is copy the sentences. Start with the capital letters at the beginning. Put full stops at the end. You have to write here capital letter in the start and at the end there should be a full stop. Cows, C should be capital and there should be a full stop at the end of the sentence. Dogs, D should be capital and there should be a full stop at the end. Hens eat seeds. Hens, H should be capital, at the end there should be a full stop. Snakes eat frogs. Frogs eat insects and insects eat us. Next one is look at the pictures below. Write what each animal eats. Example is parrots eat mangoes. Sharks eat fish. Tigers eat meat. Goats eat grass. Cats eat rats. Write how many animals are there in each picture above. 2. There are 2 tigers. 3. There are 3 cats. 4. There are 4 goats. And 5. There are 5 goats. And 4. There are 4 parrots. Grade 1. Now open your English grammar. Lesson 8, page 26, alphabetical orders. All of you know that what are the alphabets? You have already learned the alphabet in lesson 1. The letters from A to Z are called alphabets. There are 26 letters in the alphabets. The following alphabets are written in capital letters. The following alphabets are written in small letters. Grade 1, these are the small letters and some are here alphabets. You have to write separately in the notebook. Here are the small letters. You have to correct the order of these small letters. So write in your notebook like A, B, C, D, E, F and so on. Now on page number 27, exercise B. Study the words below. Which letters do they start with? Write them in alphabetical order. You have to write in alphabetical order. For example, you have to search from these words. Which words start from the letter A? Aeroplane, it will become at first. Now you will check whether any word starts with the letter B. No, here is no any letter that starts with the letter B. So you will check here. This is the word cap. Cap starts with the letter C. You will write the cap on second one. Now here is the extended exercise. Study the pictures below. Name any 5 things that you can see. Write their names in alphabetical order in your notebook. This is a picture. Look here how many things are there. This is a teddy bear, a cupboard, bed, pillow, table lamp, picture, sun, butterfly, glass, chair, table and books. Not any word start with the letter A, so we will start with butterfly, bed, book, chair, clothes, picture, grass, lamp, sun and table.